Here's something completely different. I haven't done this before, but it's called a package of bees. And what's in here is a queen and some food. And then here I've got a feeder. Here I got some sugar water. Try to empty this package of bees out into this hive I built. So let's do this. I'm going to first remove a couple of combs here. These are plastic combs with wax coating, and they have the honeycomb imprint for the bees to build something on. It kind of gives them a little jump start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray these bees down with sugar water, and that should get them a little mellow. And then I'm going to pop the top off, knock the bees in there. I'm just going to spray the inside down with a little sugar water here. Let's spray the bees and see if I don't get stung. They're buzzing. Let's see what happens. Just going to tap it. I've never done this. We shall see. There's the bees right on top. Look at that. I'm going to knock them in. There they go. Come on, bees. There's your new home. I'll show you the queen. Okay, there's the queen in there, and it's got some worker bees in there to feed the queen, so the worker bees will bring the queen food. It's a long one in there. This here is some sugar. What I'm going to have to do is take out that plug, and then they'll eat their way through the sugar to release the queen. Okay, so this is the food. Holes in a can, and the sugar water comes out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and knock these guys off. Like that. I'm going to turn this box upside down. I'm going to pound it in there. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy. So far, so good. Okay, here's the bee brush. The idea is to get the lid on. Oh yeah, that's like a piece of cork in there. Get that piece out. There you go. Now they're going to eat through there and release the queen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spray a little liquid on this sugar. I think that might speed things along. I'm just guessing. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put some more of these combs in that I took out. Let's get the queen in there now. What I'm going to do is try to stick this queen right in here. Somehow. Oh, I dropped the queen. Crap. I'm going to keep the plug side down, I guess. That's a lot better. There we go. Now I'm going to try to get the top on. Good job, girls. Well, I just cut something called an inner cover, and I'll use this for introducing smoke when I want to work on the hive. I chose the whole 2 3/4 size for a particular reason, but first of all, here's the feeder can that was in with the bees when I got them, and you could see I could put that over there and they could still feed from that. So the idea is to put this down on the hive, put this on top so they can feed, but I made that hole smaller because eventually I want to be able to fill these guys up and feed the bees as needed. You can see I could poke a mason jar in there, no problem. So let's go see how this works out. Here goes nothing. Okay, so I tried to put my feeder on, but one thing I didn't take into account was the bee space. So I put this rim on here, this ledge, and that'll allow the bees to climb up on the top of the combs, and then over the combs and down to the other side of the combs. I'll put the feeder can on top here. Like that. Put another box on top. That. And then I'll put the lid on. There.